Hello students, now we will be studying about the differential calculus. Differential calculus. So first one we are going to study what is the meaning of or what is the geometrical interpretation of ordinary derivatives. You know how to define or derive a function. So consider a function f of x. What is the meaning of this representation? F is a function which varies with x. So let it be this one. First example A. Here you have another f of x, variation of f with x, this one. So what will you get when we find out df by dx? What is the meaning of this df by dx? Or it is called the derivative. What is the meaning of the derivative of a function? Okay, so when we increment x by an amount dx, a small amount, infinitesimal amount dx, what is the amount f changes, which is defined as df. So df, when we change x by an amount dx, the variation is df. Okay, so we can write df is equal to df by dx into dx. Okay, so what is this d? This is called the derivative. So what is this df by dx? This is nothing but the proportionality constant between df and dx. So this is the geometrical interpretation of derivative. So can you say what is the value of df by dx in the A figure as or in figure 2? Which will be higher? Definitely this one. Okay, so here the variation of f with x is more than in this first figure, where the variation of f with x is very small. Okay, so we can readily say that the derivative of f in the b is higher than or larger than that in a. So what is df by dx? This is nothing but the slope of the graph f versus x. So when we plot a function or when we plot a graph between f and x, the slope of that graph is called the derivative. Okay, this is what we call, or this is what is the physical meaning of derivative. Okay, so the equation is df is equal to df by dx. This is actually a proportionality constant. This is what we call it as derivative into dx. So what is the geometrical interpretation? The derivative df by dx is the slope of the graph of f versus x.